In front of me is Redmi Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now you need to click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and to add any photo, click on it here. If you can't find your photos there, you can always select folders. Look for it here and tap on it to attach it. Then tap on folders again to select another one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!